One of the things that ChatGPT now has is called Vision. That means then that it can analyze images if you upload them, hereby attaching them. To demonstrate this, we can print the screen, we can copy entire screen, and what we're going to do is we're going to now upload this entire image to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to explain all of the elements on the screen. We will grab the image from our hard drive. And we're going to ask ChatGPT to explain all of the clickable buttons, links, and areas in this image. We will then click enter, and we will allow ChatGPT to look at our image and then determine what the image is and to give us the explanation that we have requested. And you can see this happening in real time. You might be under the impression that ChatGPT knew this because it is ChatGPT where we took the screenshot. So we're now going to upload a different screenshot. We will suggest a simple query and we will upload the image. And we will allow ChatGPT to determine what it is that it sees in this image. So by ChatGPT having vision, that means that you can upload an image. You can expect that ChatGPT can read the image and it can describe what it is that it is seeing. This allows you to give ChatGPT multimodal input. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.